Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jane. Thank you so much for always stopping by. Today I'll be showing you how to make a perfect trouser or skirt pocket. I'm going to be using this Ankara fabric for my pocket. So first we draw our starting line and then I'll mark 7 inches. That will be our opening where your hand will go into. That's 7 inches. And then the length of the pocket, I'm going to be using 12 inches. You can either use 11 or 14, 13 depending on how deep you want yours to be. So I'm going to be using 12 inches for this pocket. Now from this point, I'm going to mark 1 inch. Now place your hand this way like I'm doing and just determine a curve like this. Just as simple as that. Then this one, I'm going to also draw another curve connecting it to this 12 inches line. As simple as that. I'm just going to draw it out clearly. Draw it out clearly and cut it out. Open it up, and then this 2 is for 1 pocket. That means I'm going to cut out 2 of each. Altogether I'm going to have 4. Now I'm going to mark 1 inch this way, connect the line. This is where we are going to sew. To fold the 1 inch and iron. I'm going to be sewing this pocket on this material just for video purpose. When you're connecting your pockets to either your skirt or your trouser, all you do is from your waistline you mark 1.5 inches this way. Then you pick one piece like this, right side facing each other, don't forget. I'm going to sew on my 1 inch line. Make sure to pin it if you wish so that it doesn't move. Now I'm going to top stitch on it. You can choose not to, probably just iron it just to give it a nice finish look. this is how it looks. For the back piece, I'm going to pick my material like this as well. This is the other side. On this side, I'm also going to mark 1.5 inches. Do well to place it right side facing each other. Now on this other side, see how I'm turning it over? And then I'm going to mark 1.5 inches this way. Then I'll sew on my 1 inch line. Now we are going to join the two sides together, that's the front and the back piece together. Now placing them this way, right side facing each other. Now make sure that they are well placed together. Mark your 1 inch. Now from where you joined the pocket, from that point mark 1/2 inch. And then you sew to that point. Then you can turn it this way and sew round using 1/2 inch. Now when you get to this point, make sure the pockets are placed together correctly. Then you sew. You also mark 1/2 inch from this point upwards. Yes, you mark 1/2 inch this way and then you sew to that point. Now you can continue sewing with your 1 inch allowance. with one side. I'm just going to give it a good press and show you how it looks like. For this video, I'm just showing you how to sew your pocket to just one side of either your skirt or your trouser. Do it to join your pocket on the other side using the same method. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, and also watch out for my next video. As always, my name is Jane. God bless you and your family and everyone around you. Stay blessed.